In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create or add products to your site in Squarespace. Whether you're setting up an online store for the first time or expanding the catalog on your existing site, this step-by-step guide will have you adding products in no time. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account, navigate to the Squarespace website, and you'll see the login option. Click on that to get started. Once you're on the login page, instead of entering a username and password, choose the Continue with Google option for a fast and secure login process. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to connect with your Squarespace site. After logging in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. Find your website among those listed there and click on it to open the site editor. This is where the magic happens. Next, look to the left-hand side of your screen for the main navigation panel. Here you'll see an option labeled Commerce. Click on that and it will drop down a menu where you'll see Products. Select this to enter the Products Management area. This is the central hub for adding and editing products on your site, so get familiar with this screen. Ready to add a new product? Click on the Add Product button. A menu will appear asking you to choose the type of product you want to add. It could be a physical item, a digital download, or even a service. Select the one that best describes your product. Now it's time to fill in the details. Start by adding a product name, make it catchy yet descriptive to grab potential buyers' attention. After that, you can upload an image that represents your product. Images are powerful in selling, so make sure it's high quality and accurately showcases what you're offering. Once that's done, click on Next to proceed to the next step. Here, you'll enter the pricing information for your product, be clear on the currency and any additional cost details. This helps set clear expectations for your customers. With the price in place, you have the option to add more details. Click on Add More Details if you need to specify options like size, color, or any other variant. These details can greatly enhance the shopping experience. After adding all necessary information, look towards the top right corner where you'll spot a drop-down menu labeled Save. Click on it to reveal the Publish option. By selecting Publish, your new product gets added to your Squarespace site and becomes available for your audience to see. And with that, you've successfully added a product to your Squarespace site. Regularly updating this part of your website ensures your offerings are up to date and engaging for potential buyers. Thanks for joining me and happy selling.